Welcome back, this is Ballistic, and I will be doing a little macro tutorial or whatnot for the Ripjaw's MX780 mouse. So, first of all, you want to grab the G.Skill software set, and once you open it, you want to click on macros or whatnot, it shouldn't really matter, and you click on customize. So, I will show you how to link your, this shouldn't be there, well it should be, I'll show you how to do everything in the end to link it up to Battlefield 4 or whatever game you want, macros and all that. So let's begin. So right here, there's a little box right here. So you're gonna click plus, and I'm gonna name that BF4, and click off. And I will link a program, which will be Battlefield 4. Battlefield 4, there we go. And this linking the program will not exactly switch your mouse automatically for you, which I will show you exactly how to enable the profile switch. I'm not entirely sure. I'm starting to think about it now, right at this moment, is if you have this disabled, I wonder if this automatically does it, but I doubt it 100%. So I would click on enable profile switch, and so far right here we have two options because we have two profiles made so far, and I will click on Battlefield 4. And once we get that done, we're going to want to get the profile switching utility, or not utility, like the function to be assigned to the mouse. So whatever button you like, I'm going to take button 6, and I'm going to click on profile switch right here, and then this is the only option, is switch up. And that's, I'll leave that there on the desktop one. Or you probably, I don't know if you can have profiles here at all. I would make a desktop one so you can change to like neutral kind of, you know what I mean? And this one right here, I'll also do the same thing, so I can switch back to the desktop one. So once you get away, have that out of the way, whatever button you like is always. And once you get that done, we can start working on the Battlefield 4 macros slash function, mouse function things. So keyboard, I'm gonna try doing defining a key here. So I'm gonna do F because I know F is for knifing in the game. And right here I'm gonna do a sniper button, so I'm gonna change that to about 431 is good enough for me. And as this is gonna be the most kind of like natural feeling, I guess, you can attach 7 here just for this tutorial, I guess. And I'm going to attach a macro, maybe assign macro. So it seems like it, you have to create a macro. But before we do that, is I'm going to save this device profile into the mouse. You want to do that after you finish all doing everything. And before we go, I will change, because my mouse is kind of like purple right now as a color. I'm going to change the lighting on this mouse. So you could leave effect lighting so it's kind of rainbow, but you know, I don't know about it. So I'm just going to change this how it's normally on my mouse, and I'm going to change this one to this kind of, I got to click on it, right? So it's going to be blue when I know it's going to be Battlefield 4. So I'm going to save the device memory. So once we get that done, we can tell between which one's desktop and which one's not. And desktop. Effect lighting. Okay, so macros. We can go to macros right here. And we can create a macro 1. That's good enough for me. And we can record a delay or default delay 2 milliseconds, and let's record something. F F F F F F F F F space. Okay, dokie, and we will stop that. So this is gonna be funky, really funny when we get in the game and try it out. So I'm not sure what insert is. Insert after. Keystroke delay before. I'm not really sure what this is. I guess cancel that. And I guess this is assigned as macro 1 right here. And we will go back to, I'm not entirely sure how the macros work entirely, but we will try our best. So I'll go back to the Battlefield 4 thing and click on the 7. It's going to be kind of weird. And assign macro, and there we have macro 1. So we're going to play that once. Play once, and I'm not sure what the plus. Okay, that takes you back, so we know that. And assign 7, so we will finish this part right here. Macro 1, and we're going to click save. And just as a comment, there's many more things you can do with this. You can change DPI, you can disable completely. Text, I don't know exactly what that is. You can launch programs, you can create Windows shortcuts, which is quite useful. I can maybe attach like run or a command prompt or whatever the heck you want onto the mouse. Or maybe open up terminal easier on Linux or something if you're interested in those. Keyboards are just like little keystrokes, mouse functions. Not entirely sure, but sounds pretty useful. So once we get all that done, I'm just going to click save the device memory and on both of them, and we will hop into Battlefield 4 and I will demonstrate this mouse, how it looks like and how it functions. So see you then. Alrighty, I am back into Battlefield 4. I'll show you how to change and how everything looks like. So,
Objective Alpha is under our control.
Purplish right now at the moment, and when I press the button up here that I showed you, it's going to change it to the blue color I set it to, and macros are activated. So this one, remember, press as F, so that's going to knife in the game, and this one's going to change the DPI.
We've just lost the Objective
you
Alpha.
can see the difference, how different it is. And the profile switcher I already showed you, and this is the goofy macro. Okay, so I guess I mean, it's doing what it's supposed to, jumping and knifing, but the milliseconds, I'm not exactly sure on the number, I mean, exactly to do that. So, therefore, hopefully you enjoyed this video and learned something into your next gaming careers or whatever the hell you're going to be doing. Hopefully you liked, subscribe, comment, wait for more. If you have any questions, just let me know.